So here I need to upload some content with my pick image into my media collection inside of Payload. You can see for now I've just set everything to true, so no access control. We'll do that later. The fields in my media are alt text, caption, and the owner, so it's the ID of the person who uploaded the image. So here in my app you can see I have a whole note. The idea is to associate this image with this note when it's saved, but we're just going to focus on getting the image into my collection first. So if I go back to my Create Note page, you see down on my Create Note page, I have this, where did it go? This image picker component that I wrote, and it returns on success. It'll return the object from Payload after it's been updated and returned successfully. So let's go take a look at this. So I am pulling in my types from Payload. Here's my return function. It's returning a media object, so this is the payload type. And then I'm using this image picker from Expo. It's pretty straightforward what we do here. You need to create a form object. So it's form data. It's going to be a multi-part form upload. You append the file object. So it's a file. I take the image URI that I got from the image picker. I take the file name that I extracted from the image URI, and I set the MIME type, and then I default to image JPEG. Probably should be image PNG. To get these additional fields, this is the current user, which I pulled in from my user context. So I have my user session, I get the user, and I need the user ID. So the owner, I take the user ID. For the alt fields, I'm just putting dummy text in there right now. And then what you do, you need to append this underscore payload object and stringify the additional fields. You make the post, make sure you say it's multi-part form data. You get your response errors back if there's any errors. Otherwise, I return the document. On success, because you see the on success, if I go back to where I create the note, you can see if I look at handle image on success, I'm just saving the image object in this set upload image, so that after I capture all these other form fields here, you can see I'm just appending the ID of the media object to this JSON object that I'm sending up to get saved. And that's how the image ends up in there. And just a quick look, a test of upload, some content help, and then you pick the image. This is the Expo image picker. You can preview the image, and then I can create my note. And you can see it uploaded it. We have our tag, we have our image, and then if we take a look back at Payload, you can see here's my media object that I just uploaded. It has the owner set appropriately. It has the alt captions. If I go back to my note, you can see that I have my note title, content, I have the tag, and then I have the relationship back to the image, the media object, which is what I wanted.